Antarctic blue whale. The Antarctic blue whale is the largest animal on the planet. It can weigh up to 400,000 pounds and measure around 98 feet in length. Its heart is the size of a small car, and during the main feeding season, it can consume about 7,936 pounds of krill per day. Additionally, it is the loudest animal on Earth. Fun fact, the weight of the Antarctic blue whale is equivalent to about 33 elephants. Orca. The orca weighs 10,000 kilograms and hunts in groups, similar to the behavior of wolves. Some groups have demonstrated very sophisticated hunting techniques. Orcas are highly social mammals, living in groups. Due to the diversity of languages in their calls, orcas can distinguish members of their group from strangers or less familiar individuals. Fun fact, orcas may engage in fights for dominance within a group, and such ranking is based off teeth, size, or bites. Lion's mane jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish is the largest jellyfish in existence. It is found in the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic, from the Norwegian Sea to the Bay of Biscay. It lives in the deep sea, in the depths of the abyssal zone. However, specimens have been recorded at the surface on several occasions. Fun fact, it is possible to observe them feeding on other jellyfish as well. Fin whale. It is a pelagic animal that lives in oceanic waters, although it can approach the continental shelf. It is distributed across most temperate and polar ocean zones. The average length is usually 18 meters. Females are longer than males and can reach up to 19 meters, weighing up to 90 tons. Fun fact, they have a single calf every 2 or 3 years after a gestation period of 11 to 12 months. A sperm whale. Sperm whales weigh between 40,000 and 55 kilograms. To find their prey, they usually dive between 300 and 1,200 meters deep, although they can dive up to 2 kilometers while hunting. Sperm whales spend most of their lives hunting, but sometimes take a break to engage in more sociable behaviors, including calling other individuals and rubbing their bodies together. The cruising speed of a sperm whale is in the range of 5 to 15 kilometers per hour. When they accelerate, they can reach speeds of 35 to 45 kilometers per hour, maintaining that speed for about 1 hour. Fun fact, sperm whales consume just over 900 kilograms of food per day. Giant squid. It is the largest mollusk in the world, inhabiting all oceans except for Arctic and tropical zone, and is particularly abundant in Japanese waters. They have extremely long tentacles that can measure up to 6 times the length of their mantle, and unlike other squids, these are not retractable. The species found so far have weighed between 120 and 350 kilograms. Fun fact, the largest known specimen today corresponds to the carcass of a female stranded on the shores of New Zealand in 1887, measuring almost 18 meters. Gray whale. It is one of the largest species in the marine world, measuring from 11 to 15 meters with an approximate weight of 80 tons. This cetacean undertakes one of the longest migrations, covering more than 9,000 kilometers in groups segregated by sex and age. They feed on crustaceans living in the muddy bottoms of the Bering Sea. They remove the mud with their snout and absorb it along with the food. Fun fact, the female gives birth only once every 2 years, usually to a single calf, after a gestation period of 12 to 13 months. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the sea, reaching 12 meters or more. It feeds by filtration, meaning that to eat, it opens its huge jaws wide and absorbs everything nearby. It then closes its mouth, expelling a filtering water through the gills. Anything left inside is ingested by the giant shark. As they prefer warm waters, whale sharks are present in all tropical seas. It is known to migrate each spring to the continental shelf of the central west coast of Australia. Fun fact, despite its enormous size, the whale shark is a jellyfish that sometimes allows divers to swim alongside them. African elephant. They are the largest terrestrial animals on Earth and can be recognized by their huge ears, which have a shape similar to the African continent. Elephant ears rated heat to help cool these massive animals, although sometimes the African heat is too much for them. Elephants eat roots, grass, fruit, and bark, and they do so in large quantities. An adult elephant can consume up to 135 kilograms of food in a single day. Fun fact: elephants have about 100,000 different muscles in their trunks. Leatherback sea turtle. It is the largest turtle in the world, reaching up to 3 meters and weighing 800 kilograms, although the average is around 2 meters in length and 500 kilograms in weight. They are easily recognizable by the shape of their shell, which narrows significantly at the back. The shell is composed of osteoderm plate joined by a cartilaginous matrix and covered by a thick thermal tissue, giving it a leathery appearance. Fun fact: they can lay from 80 to 90 eggs with a variable incubation period of 50 to 78 days.